If you are a seller on Etsy that has been wanting to build their own .com website but has been a little bit hesitant about how much work is involved in that, or you are a business owner that has been looking to launch their own website but has also been hesitant on how to do that and worried that it's too complicated, this is the video for you. Today I'm giving a walkthrough of EverBee Store, which is the newest, easiest way to get your .com website off the ground. I know so many different Etsy sellers across print on demand or just DIY homemakers that have the very successful brand on Etsy and have had interest in taking their brand off of Etsy to be able to own their data, have higher profit margins, but have just run into some complexities on launching their own website. A lot of folks will use platforms like Shopify or Wix to launch their own brand, which are great platforms, but are pretty involved with that setup. And so if you're not 100% sure that that's the best method for you and you really just want to dive into seeing how your own .com store would perform, that is exactly what this video is for today. One of my favorite tech companies out there, Everbe, which I talk about a lot on my channel, recently launched a brand new product. Now, to give you some history here, Everbe is one of my favorite platforms for doing research on Etsy. I'm constantly showing the data that I get from them, and basically it's a website extension that allows us to take a back-end look at all of the different sales that are happening on Etsy, so we can get an understanding on which products are trending well, which keywords are expanding, and how we can actually use data to fuel our own print-on-demand growth. I'm constantly taking a look at their data, and as you can see here, they launched this new product called EverBee Store, and it is a complete expansion to their current product offering. And so what they have launched is called EverBee Store, which is essentially a way for you to launch your own website in minutes. This is something that is going to be a game changer for print-on-demand sellers, and the reason I say that is if you are a print-on-demand seller selling on Etsy and you wanted to launch your own website, so you have a shop called Dogs and Cats Etsy, and you wanted to launch dogsandcats.com, you would have to go to a website like Shopify, build out that website exactly to your liking. You then have to map all of your products from Printify over to Shopify, link those products again, bake out all those titles and descriptions again, and get a bunch of information crafted for things like shop policies, return policy, and make sure that you're doing everything in compliance that is necessary for having your own .com shop. This platform is going to take almost all of that heavy lifting off of you. So if you already have an Etsy store and you have products made, this will be able to take all that information and map it to your new website. And while I'm saying that this is especially helpful for print-on-demand sellers, this is also amazing for handmade sellers. There's a lot of folks that watch my channel that just sell on Etsy in general, and they sell products that they make on their own. This is an amazing way to expand that and bring more of that audience to your own channel and have higher profit margins because you're no longer having to pay the Etsy fees. It's also an amazing opportunity for creators that have a product that they're looking to sell, and maybe it's a consulting services or maybe it's a digital download, but so many ways for you to launch your own website and have a home for all of these products that you are looking to get in front of people. And it's never been easier than it is today with EverBee Store to get started. To give you an example of how professional these sites look once you're able to build them, here I'm showing one that is perfect for print on demand. This is something that if you have an Etsy store now and you're running print on demand, you'd easily be able to generate a website that looks pretty close to this. Or if you have your own business and you are a small business owner and you are looking to launch a swag store for your employees to be able to go in and order product, maybe with a promo code or something like that, you could generate this type of website within the matter of minutes. And you can see here that it will have all of the products pulling in, and we'll be able to link this actually to the print-on-demand platform that you're using. Right now, Printify is the main platform that has a direct integration, but there's more coming on the roadmap. And this platform is also phenomenal for if you are a creator. There are a ton of creators that have different offerings that they use of actual physical downloads, or maybe that's coaching, or maybe it's a membership to be a part of the community. This is a perfect example of that. This platform is set up to allow you to be able to have a members area where people can sign up. They're automatically charged every month, so you're not having to hunt people down to get their credit cards back. It allows you to set this up exactly to how your business needs for members, subscriptions, physical products, all within the same platform. And in that similar vein of the creator space, it also allows for digital downloads. So maybe you're an Etsy seller and you only do digital downloads, but you've wanted to kind of run your own shop and your own .com store. This is a perfect opportunity for that as well. Here we have an example where there is a goal tracker that is going to be an instant digital download. This is absolutely something that you can do if you've had a lot of success on Etsy with your digital downloads, or if you're a creator and you're selling different guides, a perfect platform for that you'd be able to set up literally in minutes. Talked a lot about all of the amazing features of EverBee Store and the ease of setup. The next step is just to show you a walkthrough of how you would set this up. If you have interest on a full in-depth tutorial of start to finish, how to edit your store and get it to the place where you'd be able to get that in front of your friends and family, please leave the word store in the comments below, and that will let me know that you have interest in further videos that go deeper down this rabbit hole. Right now, they are offering a 30-day trial for $1 that allows you to kind of play around with the platform, test it out. After that, it's $29 a month to be able to house this website on the web. But if you have interest in at least trying it out for the first month, I'm going to drop a link to them in the description below that allows you to get that $1 30-day trial. So let's get started. I'm gonna hit start now and you'll see how easy it is to really get started now. They give you 3 different options when you're trying to set this shop up. The first one, if you are an Etsy seller now and you have a store on Etsy that you would like to utilize a lot of those same listings, you would just choose import from Etsy. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna take all of that branding from your Etsy shop and all of the information from your Etsy shop and use that to build out this website. Now, if you don't have your own Etsy shop and you are starting this off from scratch, I would recommend utilizing the Create with AI option, which will allow you to put in a bunch of inputs that kind of teach the system what type of brand you're looking to launch, and will use AI to spit that out for you and just give you a leg up without having to do a bunch of legwork initially. So I'm gonna hit import from Etsy because I'm just gonna use that as my own Etsy store that I have from Make It Rain. From there, it's going to ask you on Etsy to authenticate that you are trying to utilize your Etsy data. Great, and it'll show you that your import is complete. It may take a little bit of time if you have like a ton of listings live, but just keep that in mind. From there, you'll see that there is a few templates for you to pick from, so just choose the one that kind of resonates the most with you. From there, you will be asked if you are selling with print on demand, if you are utilizing Printify for fulfillment. This is a really cool integration that they've launched with EverBee Store, because if you have Printify, it's automatically going to integrate and make sure that when you are selling something from Printify, it's connected. And when an order comes in from your .com store, it's going to connect over to Printify and it's going to print, package, and ship that for you, just like it does with your Etsy integration. If you don't have that, that is okay. There will be some more integrations coming soon. Now you're gonna see this brain pop up on your screen. This is the AI behind EverBee Store. And what it's doing is it's taking a look at all that information that I had on my website, and it's making sure that it's getting to understand my brand identity. So the more information that you have on your Etsy, the more it's going to take that into consideration with your store. Everything that it was just doing are all of the things that would have taken you 5 to 10 times as long, if I'm being generous, if you were having to do that yourself with Shopify. So what's interesting here is my shop on Etsy is called Make It Rain. I use that just to like do demos. I have obviously my own print on demand Etsy stores that I don't disclose for obvious reasons here. But I only had 2 listings live when I wanted to push this through. And that is going to be a couple of personalized pet items. So I wanted to see if only utilizing a couple of these listings, what it would spit out for this like brand and theming. And it actually did a pretty good job. Understood that my listings are related to pets and gift giving, and it spit that out for me. So it says, elevate your style, celebrate your pet, stylish, unique accessories that showcase your love for pets and make great gifts. And as I scroll down, you can see the couple products that I have listed in my shop, easily here for me to play around with, add more, resync my store, and really just immediately start selling if that's really what I wanted to do. From there, you're gonna see that it spits out a AI generated about us section, and also starts to populate a bunch of different sections that you can obviously edit later that are more relevant for folks that are wanting to get additional information about your return policy, frequently asked questions. These are all things you'll be able to edit later. And You're also able to see here on the top left, you can choose a color palette. So they give you some different customizations so you can fit this to more of your style and your brand aesthetic. You can also choose from different font pairings as well, and then make a couple other design choices. It's still a little bare bones on the ability to make huge changes here, but I actually err on the side of the fewer choices, the better to begin with. It's always easy to get some success and start doubling down and expanding. But if it's going to take you weeks and weeks to make decisions about, oh, what color should I choose for this? And what font should I choose? You're never going to launch. And so that's why I think that this is such a key point of, I'm glad that they're launching this at the frame that it is now, because it almost makes it easier for people to say, great, I'm going to make these few decisions. There's not too many for me to make, and I'm going to move forward with that and see what happens. From there, you can hit next and finish completion of your shop. So as I mentioned, they're offering a $1 trial for the first month. And then after that, the essentials plan, which is probably all that we would need initially to start off, is $29 per month. Once you choose whichever membership option you want, you'll be taken over here to your dashboard to go through a setup guide where you'll be able to link that to your Printify account, start setting up your payment options to be able to accept payment, and changing all of the settings that you would like for your shop. If you are really just wanting to get started and actually see if you can drive traffic to your own shop and make revenue and reduce some of those additional fees that you're having to pay on different platforms, this is the fastest that I've ever been able to set up a store. And I've utilized a lot of different platforms that are just confusing, or I get overwhelmed because I'm not very tech centric. So this is a great way to test that and get started. I am so excited for this, and I'm so excited to see all of the great stores that you all launch. If you launch your own shop, I would love to see it. Feel free to drop a link in the comments below and maybe get some additional traffic from folks on my community. There's never been an easier time to launch something like this. Get help from AI so you're not having to do it all on your own. You can get started for $1. I'm so excited for all the different potential that we have here. If this has been helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. If you want to see more demos and tutorials on how to set everything up to a T, please leave a comment in the description below. There will be a link to sign up to EverBee Store in the description below as well. Thank you so much, and I will catch you on the next one.